Hello, Ace readers. Welcome to Read-Aloud Books with me, Alice.
Write and describe.
Hi Ace readers. This week's story is called Nature Noises, written and illustrated by Sierra Forrester. When you're out on a forest path and you see water and rocks, stop and look for bright green moss. Spongy, fluffy, soft. Pat it with 2 hands. It will feel funky all around. Squish, squash, squoosh. Does the moss make that sound? Hiking with Mummy and Daddy over a springy wooden bridge. Stop and look down at the river go, rushing watery flow. Hear the stream fall over rocks, it is flowing pretty fast. Wishy, wishy, swoosh. Listen to the roaring water pass. Now when you walk along a trail, be careful where you step. Below your boots with a thud, sticky, sloppy mud. The goopy ground is brown, that muddy soil is wet. Squish, splorp, squelch. Have you heard that damp dirt yet? Trekking through the woods, you stop right in your tracks. Above your head you hear rumbles, fuzzy, buzzy, bumbles. Yellow and black little buggies, you crane your neck up to see. Fuzzy, buzzy, wuzzy, happy little bumblebees. Mountain morning air is crisp. Here comes a family hiking through. Trees seem to whisper in the breeze. Very airy, rustling leaves. Coming down the mountain quick, windy flows and swirls that wail. Whoosh, swish, swoosh. Timber leaves dance in the gale. Summer days are made for adventure, and Mummy leads the way. Through the green woods they go, crinkly, crunchy. Whoa! Daddy carries baby brother. Sister's feet stomp all around. Crunch, crack, snap on the leafy forest ground. Way up above the pointy pines, Dad and son both shout, "Ooh, wow!" And Mummy's eyes reach to the skies, feathery, flappy, surprise. 2 bold eagles soar above, wings spread far and wide. Shriek, 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 they call out, flying side by side. Near the creek on a sunny day, they look for something fun to throw. The boy and sister see below smooth, shiny stones. He tosses the river rock up, up, up. The ripples soon will churn. Splush, splash, plop. Then next it's sister's turn. Before the skies get fully dark, they're cosy in the tent. A little girl peeps out the door. Happy critters, noise galore. 2 little bugs that look like friends see the crickets chat and greet. Twiddle, chirp, chirp. She thinks their sounds are neat. Through the forest walks a boy. He's never thirsty for long, for his bottle comes on every trip. Big, refreshing, gulpy sips. The bottle wobbles to and fro like waves inside the sea. Sloosh, glug, slosh, a splishy, splashy symphony. Under drizzly skies, her coat keeps her dry. The earth smells fresh with rain. Come explore this campground. Slippy, drippy, damp ground. Rain beads splutter off her hood. Drops tap on leaves and plants. Pitter, patter, t, t, t. Should we splash and dance? Lightning zigzags above the trees. Rain gushes from the sky. The tent is cosy, safe and warm. Flashy, flickery storm. The thunder growls outside our tent. We cuddle close and read together. Rumble, crack, boom, grumble. Family snuggle weather. Who's that stirring beyond the trail? A mighty elk shuffles in the grass. We peek safely behind bushes and trees. Shaggy, pointy, beastie beast. Antlers rustle the autumn shrubs. We smile while standing our ground. Ah-ee-oo, wee-oo! His blaring bugle is quite a sound. The girl and her daddy walk in the park. Berry bushes line their way. Up on a branch 2 ravens peek, feathery, flappy, pointy beaks. She answers with her silliest squawk. Dad smiles at the 3 chatting there. Clackety-caw-caw-caw! What stories do they share? In the cool night, the family tells tales around a campfire so warm. Baby sister and brother fill with delight, glowing, fluttery orange light. They listen to Daddy's silly stories while Mummy holds baby all snug. Sizzle, crackle, pop, pop, the best kind of way to unplug. The lantern glows beside his head. Stars above twinkle and gleam. The sleeping bag feels extra plush. Sleepy, snuggly, hush. He wiggles down into his bag. Off to dreamland he will glide. Zippity, zip, zap, zip. Good night, trees and stars outside.